students, welcome to our English class. Still with me, Woro Putri Utami. Dalam pembelajaran kali ini, kita akan mempelajari tentang there is and there are. Kalian pasti sudah pernah dengarkan istilah ini, karena kalian sudah pernah mempelajarinya pada saat sekolah dasar dulu. Tapi, kali ini, kita akan belajar bersama-sama dengan siswa-siswi SMP kelas 8, SMP Taman Siswa Teluk Betung. Ayo kita lihat. Oke kelas, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning students.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay class, I hope all of you are in a good condition. Don't forget to fill the attendance list di Google Classroom, sudah belum?
Udah.
Tadi Miss lihat ada sebagian yang sudah. Okay, today we are going to study about there is and there are. Gampang ini. Ya. Have you ever heard about there is and there are? Sudah pernah dengar belum?
Nah, Miss.
Kapan dengarnya? Waktu SD ya, itu pelajaran SD, jadi tidak ada alasan tidak bisa. Oke, what is the use of there is and there are? Apa kegunaannya? Tahu nggak? Ingat nggak?
To state apa ya? Lupa. To state amount of thing, menyatakan jumlah.
Ya, to state amount of thing. Pada saat itu kamu belajar kalau there is, bendanya ada berapa kalau there is?
Satu.
Kalau there are ada berapa?
Lebih dari satu.
Okay, very good. Now, I will play a video, very short, nggak nyampe 1 menit videonya. Please watch the video carefully. Nah, ini dia. Okay, listen carefully.
Hi, Mother. I am in the grocery store. I want to make a delicious salad for dinner. Is there any lettuce in the fridge?
No, there is not lettuce in the fridge. But there are some carrots and a cucumber.
Oh, great. And are there any fruits?
There are 3 apples and 2 bananas on the table.
Thank you, Mom. And do you need anything from the grocery store?
Yes, are there any tomatoes?
Yes, there are some tomatoes here, just in front of me. I will bring you some. Bye.
Okay, that's very short video there. Oke, cukup jelas ya videonya ya. Jelas nggak?
Jelas.
After you have watched the video, I would like to ask you. Miss mau tanya, what does the boy in the video wants to make? Dia mau buat apa? Kan tadi di pasar kan dia. Nah, he wants to make apa?
Salad.
Salad. Oke. Terus dia tanya ke momnya, is there any lettuce in their fridge? Adakah lettuce di kulkasnya?
Kulkas.
Is there any lettuce?
No.
Lukman, is there any lettuce, Lukman? No, there is no lettuce in their fridge. Ya. Coba Andika, terus dia tanya lagi, how about fruits? How about fruits? Bagaimana buah-buahan? Is there any fruits?
Enggak ada, Miss.
Hah? Ada nggak? Lukman kayaknya
ada.
ngomong ada nih. Is there any fruit? Is there any fruits? Apakah ada buah-buahan? How about fruits? In the video?
Nggak ada. Nggak ada.
Grace. How about fruit, Grace?
Ada Miss, there are 3 apples and 2 banana.
Yes, there are 3 apples and
Nah, itu
2
maksud saya, Miss.
banana. Dasar. Okay, and then what does the mother want from the grocery store? Ibunya nitip apa? Ibunya di grocery store nitip apa tadi? Terakhir. Bentuknya merah, red. Nitip some
Apel.
tomatoes. Merah tapi bukan apples. Tomatoes. Okay, very good. Now, you listen carefully my explanation about there is and there are. Dengarkan baik-baik, misalkan menjelaskan there is and there are. Ya. Share lagi.
Yang matiin kamera nggak dapat nilai kan, Miss?
Ya, nggak ada penilai.
Nah, lu. Tiara.
Ini sinyalnya jelek tahu.
Ya udah, kalau sinyalnya jelek pilih salah satu. Yang penting suaranya nyala.
Matiin kamera lah. Orang sinyalnya
Enggak.
jelek.
Mati tuh.
Jelek.
Okay, now I will explain about there is and there are. Di WhatsApp group, Miss sudah share tujuan pembelajaran dari there is and there are.
Aduh. Mana ki, Miss?
Okay, we use there is and there are to say that something exists. There is and there are means ada. Jadi, kita menggunakan there is and there are untuk menyatakan keberadaan suatu benda, hewan, ataupun manusia. Jadi there is or there are itu dalam bahasa Indonesia artinya ada. Sambung ya. Next. We use there is for singular only one thing. Jadi there is dipergunakan untuk menyatakan benda yang hanya satu, only one thing. And we use there are for plural, 2 or more things. Jadi kita menggunakan there are untuk benda yang lebih dari 1, 2, dan seterusnya. Here are example of there is and there are. Contoh kalimat there is. There is a cat on the couch. There is an apple in the fridge. There is a woman under that tree. There is an umbrella in my bag. Jadi kalian bisa lihat contohnya sini yang menggunakan there is itu semua bendanya hanya satu.
Ya, satu, B.
Oke, now yang there are. There are 3 cats on the couch. There are 6 apples in the fridge. There are 4 women under the tree. And there are 2 umbrellas in my bag. Jadi
Siapa Pin belakang lu, Pin?
there are itu bendanya lebih dari 1. Jadi ada 3, 6, 4, 2. Jadi itu lebih dari 1 semua ya. Oke. Next, we also use there is with uncountable nouns. Kita juga menggunakan there is untuk menyatakan benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Jadi saking banyaknya seperti sugar, there is some sugar on the table. Terus misalnya selain sugar apalagi pasir, beras, garam, gula. Nah itu uncountable, tidak bisa dihitung. Dan juga yang berbentuk cairan, liquid, seperti milk, ice cream, tea, coffee, nah, seperti itu. Next. The contraction of there is theirs. Jadi kata there is bisa disingkat menjadi theirs. Jadi is-nya hilang diganti tanda koma di atas. Contohnya, there's a boy in the classroom. There's a car in front of my house. There's ice cream on your shirt. There are cannot be contracted. Artinya kata there are tidak bisa disingkat. Jadi kalau there is kan bisa there's, kalau there are tidak bisa. Tetap there are 10 houses in this area. Dan there are keys in my pocket. Ini contohnya. Ipin. Oke. There is and there are ada 3 bentuk. Kalimat positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya atau question. Contoh yang positif di sini. There is a dog in the room. There are 5 pencils on the table. There is an elephant in that zoo. Bentuk negatifnya seperti apa? Gampang sekali. Hanya ditambahkan not.
Not, ya.
Ya, tuh. There is not a dog in the room. There are not 5 pencils on the table. There is not an elephant in the zoo. Terus kalau kalimat tanya gimana? Sama juga, gampang sekali. Hanya ditukar. Nah, there sama is atau are-nya. Jadi is dan are-nya letakkan di depan. Jangan lupa kalau kalimat tanya pakai tanda apa, Lukman? Pakai tanda tanya di belakangnya. Jadi contohnya, is there a dog in the room? Ya. Are there? Iya sayangku. Are there 5 pencils on the table? Is there an elephant in that zoo? Gampang kan? Sampai sini nyambung nggak? When we want to indicate that a zero quantity of something exists, we use there aren't any. Ketika kita mau mengatakan tidak ada sama sekali, zero quantity. Zero itu berapa artinya?
Nol.
Nol. Zero quantity of something kita pakai there aren't any. Contohnya tuh, there aren't any people in my house. Tidak ada orang di rumah saya. Terus kalau kalimat yang bawahnya lagi, we also use this structure with uncountable nouns. Kita juga menggunakan struktur kalimat ini untuk kalimat yang untuk kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung, uncountable. Contohnya, there isn't any sugar in my coffee. Tidak ada gula di kopi saya. Berarti kopinya
pahit.
Oke, very good. Nih, contoh examples of text, short text. The roads are very busy now because there are many vehicles. There are also many pedestrians. There is a little discipline on the road. but there are few policemen around. Dipecah lagi kalimatnya, jadi Jenny says that our roads are very busy now. Kata Jenny, jalanan kita ini ramai sekali. There are many vehicles, banyak kendaraan. There are also many pedestrians, banyak orang berjalan kaki. There is little discipline on the road. And there are very few policemen around. Hanya ada beberapa polisi di sekitarnya. Coba, kelas. Nah, ketawa sendiri. There is little discipline on the road. Kenapa pakai there is? Adakah? Hah? Little discipline? Karena little discipline apa tadi? Uncountable. Disiplin kan tidak bisa dihitung ya. Jadi pakai there is. Nyambung nggak Lukman sampai sini? Grace, Ali, Ipin?
Ya.
Yes gitu Gena. Yes miss gitu. Oke. Now we come to exercise. Aku capek ngomong terus. Sekarang gantian. Number 1, Andika.
Ya, Miss.
Yes, number 1. Titik-titik book under the table.
There is.
There is book under the table. Terus kalau titik-titik 12 children in the bus, ganti Lukman. Oh, Lukmannya hilang. Orly. Titik-titik 12 children in the bus. Apa Orly isinya?
Nah, lu Orly.
Nah, Lukman, udah nonton Lukmannya. Titik-titik 12 children in the bus. There is atau there are, Lukman?
There is.
12. 12 itu berapa, Nak?
12.
12. Berarti kalau 12, there are.
Iya, maksudnya there are.
Titik-titik. Some water in the bottle. Some water. Nah, ini some water kan air bisa dihitung nggak?
Enggak.
Berarti pakai there is apa pakai there are?
There is.
There is. Lukman pintar sekali. Oke. Next. Titik-titik many animals in the zoo. Banyak animals in the zoo. There is or there are?
There are.
There are. Kalau animals ya walaupun banyak masih bisa dihitung. Look, titik-titik an egg. An egg. There is or there are?
There is.
There is.
Is very good. Pintar hari ini. There is an egg. Telurnya ada berapa? Satu. Oke. Nah, oke. Thank you for now. Now let's return to WhatsApp group. Ingat ya, diikuti WhatsApp grupnya. Kita kembali lagi ke WhatsApp group. Sampai jumpa di pelajaran selanjutnya. Bye. Love you. Ditutup ya.
Miss.
Emang gak usah udahan tau. Ini aja.
Miss yang tutup aja. Nanti kan kalian hafal semua. Oke, bye.
silakan kalian kerjakan LKPD-nya. Tulis di buku latihan jawabannya saja, tidak perlu menulis soalnya. Tapi dibedakan parts-nya, jadi misalnya yang task 1, mana task 2, dan seterusnya. If you're still confused with the lesson, you can see and read the files above here, dan cari kalian bisa pelajari materinya, atau juga kalian bisa japri Miss in my private number, oke? Kalau masih bingung ya.
Oke students, baru saja kalian saksikan pembelajaran kita pada hari ini dengan materi there is and there are. Miss harap kalian bisa mendapatkan manfaat dari video pembelajaran kali ini. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to always be safe and keep healthy. See you on next video lesson. Bye bye students.